What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using treasure maps in Roblox Fish. Treasure maps are essential for locating hidden treasures within the game, enhancing your gameplay and exploration experience. By following the steps, you'll learn how to effectively utilize treasure maps to find valuable items. First, go to the Forsaken Shore. The reason is that you have to find a NPC pirate to fix your treasure map, which costs 250 gold coins. The NPC pirate can be found in a cave near the entrance. This is what an NPC pirate looks like when you find him. There, when you talk to the NPC pirate, the choices appears, and one of them is, "Can you fix my map?" which costs 250 gold. Choose that option, and the additional coordination will appear. Next is to buy a GPS. You can buy a GPS in Moosewood or in Mush Grove Swamp. This is what it looks like when you find a GPS in Moosewood or in Mush Grove Swamp. Now use the GPS and find a treasure. The tips for using GPS and Fish are the north or N is -C, south or S is +C, west or W is -X, and east or E is +X. Using treasure maps in Roblox Fish can significantly enhance your gaming experience by adding an element of adventure and discovery. Remember to acquire maps, understand their symbols, navigate carefully, and utilize your treasure wisely. Happy hunting, and may your adventure leads to great rewards. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.